premium eye hole chamfer foil. And I am thinking to add it just right here. So maybe I want to do just half of the nails, that part of it right there, maybe right there. So I'm thinking to do like half of the nails. But if you are transfers and tie the image to anti the nails, you apply full nails. But then at that time, you don't need to put the matte top coat or shiny top coat at all. You just need to apply your premium eye hole chamfer foil right on the top. Cure for 30 seconds. With the premium eye hole chamfer foil, you can definitely cure for 30 seconds. And then this one, I'm go ahead and apply the matte top coat. Oh no, I am going to do whole things, or maybe French. Maybe I should do French. So I'm going to go ahead and do a matte top coat. If you want to do just the spot or just the area of on the nails, the image chamfer foil, make sure you are going to cap your colors with your no wipe top coat, or no wipe top coat shiny, or no wipe top coat matte. So therefore, there's no tacky layer. So when you transfer it on, it will stay in exactly where you want it. This one looks good though. Like you don't have to go straight like this, how the way the foil go, or you don't have to go this vertical, horizontal. You can just pick wherever slot you want is to be. I think I want that spot right there. Can you see it? I am too far away. Okay, right there. Place it exactly where you want, and give it a good rub. Okay. And make sure I give it a good rub and just gently remove it. Beautiful. That's it.